These are things everybody said in their elementary school playground.
And we have no idea where they came from. Hey, what's your name?
Scott?
What's this?
Nose?
What's in my hand?
Nothing?
Scott knows nothing.
Brick wall, waterfall, boy he thinks he got it all, but he don't, and I do. So boom with that attitude, peace punch, Captain Crunch, I got something he can't touch.
What word starts with F and ends with uck?
Fire
truck, what were you thinking?
Talk to the hand cause the face ain't home, leave a message at the tone. Beep.